Hello. Hello, welcome to Melissa's kitchen. So now I'm preparing these scones, right? So it's gonna be infused with the ground cinnamon, so kulit kayu manis. And then if you want to prepare this, so I'm just rubbing the ingredients, the first batch of ingredients. So this is 450-gram plain flour. And then I added in butter, 110 gram. No, before that you have to add a pinch of salt. Well, I added about like half teaspoon of salt. So salt and plain flour. And then after that you have to add in the butter. So that butter is 110 gram. So now you just have to rub it. Lisa, want to show this? Come close.
Yes.
And then you can see that I'm rubbing the butter now. Just make sure that it's like all kind of like mix well. And then after this, I'm gonna stir in the sugar.
Okay, this is the sugar. Yeah.
So just caster sugar.
Yeah.
50 grams of caster sugar.
And a little bit cinnamon.
Yeah, and then also cinnamon, ground cinnamon.
Okay.
So just add about like a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then 300 ml of milk.
Okay.
As well.
I never heard that people put cinnamon. Actually, this is something exciting.
Yeah,
actually,
yeah.
I mean, normally people just do very normal one. Okay, this is nice, but
So-
sometimes it's nice to be different.
So and then you can make it like plain, or you can put raisins as well. So we're
Yes.
gonna put some raisins. Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, so now I have the dough. So all the ingredients, so plain flour, and then try to remember everything: butter, salt, milk,
Cinnamon.
sugar, and also cinnamon. Yeah. So still a bit wet here, and also milk. Okay, so milk, be very careful because I know I recommend 300 ml, but always like leave a bit because you don't want to get too wet. It's all covered with flour now. So now, if you come close, I'm going to show you how to make this dough, because you need to be very careful because you don't want to make it too dense. So because you still want the air to trap in, so you need to
Oh, you just took
work it on the surface. Yeah.
Ah, I see.
So make sure that your work surface is covered with the flour,
Yeah.
and try not to press. Okay. And then also try not to use the rolling pin as well. Yeah. to
Just very
flatten.
gentle.
Yeah, just very gentle. Just make sure you get everything in.
Now that's look great.
Okay. That.
Wow.
And then just gently press it,
Yeah.
okay, to flatten it. Because you remember you want to get the air to trap in.
Okay.
Okay. Do you reckon close, and then just so get about like about two to 3 centimeter thick.
Yeah.
Because remember it's gonna rise because you use a self-rising flour.
Oh, I thought you make a ball, something like that, but you're not.
No, because we're gonna use this mold here. yeah?
Okay. I thought you make a ball. Okay, you just do like that and just make it flat with your hands slowly.
Yeah.
And then just use that thing.
Yeah, and you're using mold here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this should be ready now. Now, another tip that I want to share is like before you mold it, just make sure that it's all coated with the flour.
Yeah,
so
or
it
they
won't stick.
dare not stick it.
Yeah. So now, okay, just listen to this carefully. When I put it in, press the mold in, you hear the sigh, okay? Well, you couldn't hear it, I can hear it.
Yeah, because I'm
So
very
just
far.
do it, yeah? So just keep doing that. Okay, and see that? Yeah, it's a nice
Wow.
thickness. Okay.
Wow, it's nice, yeah.
So
It's
now,
great.
and then we're gonna bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes at the temperature of 200 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So I'm gonna carry on with this.
Okay. Okay, that's it, huh?
Yeah. Oh no, one more thing.
Yes.
Oh no, it's okay. We can do it after. Right. So I have all the scones ready. So now I'm just gonna brush it with a mixture of egg. So beaten egg, the whole egg. Okay. So no need to use like the just egg yolk, and with a splash of milk. Yeah. So just a leftover milk. So then you just brush it on top and make sure that on the side as well. So make it nice and shiny. And then after this, ready to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, that's quite quick actually.
Yeah, so make sure that you leave like a gap in between because it's gonna rise a bit.
Wow.
Okay, potong jap.
Okay.
So there you go. So I have about 17 pieces. Right, ready
Yes.
to go into the oven.
Okay.
In you go.
Where you are?
Right, looks like the scones are now ready. And look at this.
Wow.
Beautiful color.
Whoa.
There you go. Okay.
Looks so good.
So you can see like the air nicely trapped in.
Yeah.
You can see like it kind of rise.
Wow, it looks
Yeah.
so good, chef.
Yay, it's nice. There you go.
Yep.
Nice color as well.
Lovely.
Okay.